Hi everybody, this is Mike from Untitled Trailer. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new line called the Impression fifth wheel. This is the 34 MID or mid model, which is of course referring to the mid bunk inside. But before we head inside, I'm going to show you a couple things on the outside first. So right off the bat, you'll notice nice big pass-through storage, outside entertainment, little Furion deck in there, front cap, power front and rear jacks, huge power awning. Okay, and we'll head inside and check it out. So nice opposing slides, kind of rear living style floor plan. You get the nice big island, you get the huge super slide on either side, kitchen and your living space. So nice 8 cubic foot fridge first off, so a little bit bigger than your standard 6. Okay, seamless countertops throughout, stainless steel sink underneath, glass cover on your stovetop. Okay, stainless steel microwave, beautiful. All these drawers, nice wood tones as well. Huge 50-inch TV. You got the Furion sound system underneath, DVD player, Bluetooth, all that stuff. Right across from your theater seating. Okay, these have little built-in USB ports, so you can plug in your device and charge while you're kicking back and watching a movie. This is a fold-out sofa bed here at the back. Nice big queen-size bed when it folds out. Storage underneath your booth dinette. Okay. Nice light fixtures, very modern feel to it. We'll head upstairs. Actually, sorry, first we're gonna check out the den. So you can call this a mid-loft, mid-bunk, whatever, however you wanna call it. A lot of brands do it in different ways. Here you have the fold-out sofa with the same little USB charging ports that you saw on the back. Window, a little bit of storage, and then around here you got a little kind of desk area. You can put a TV there, laptop, whatever you want. This could be used as separate sleeping quarters or as an office or just a separate living space basically for some privacy. We'll head upstairs. So washroom first. Nice big shower stall. Okay, full tub surround. I'm over 6 feet tall. I fit in here just fine. Gives you some hangers, towels, robe, storage, medicine cabinet, master bedroom. Now all Impressions do a nice king size bed. One thing you'll notice as well, that there's no step up. Even though we're in a medium profile coach, I can walk right to the edge of the trailer and stand up straight. This one has the bedroom slide as well, so nice wardrobe here. Tons of space. Shelves on either side. You've got power outlets, storage above, nice and deep. There's a mount here for a TV if you decided you wanted to slip one in. This is plugged into your antenna, which has the booster in it, so you can get a few channels up here as well. And skylight vent. And yeah, that about does it for the event, or the Impression 34 MID. I'm Mike from Untitled Trailer. I'll catch you next time.